Imagine waking up each day with the freedom to choose how you spend your time, while your bank balance quietly grows. In a world where so many of us trade endless hours for a paycheck, the promise of financial independence seems like a distant dream. Today, we confront that harsh reality, the struggle of working for money, and explore how to make money work for you instead. Every morning, countless professionals set out to chase a paycheck, caught in the relentless cycle of long hours and limited rewards. The discomfort of watching time slip away while finances remain stagnant resonates deeply with anyone who has ever felt trapped by the daily grind. The traditional model of working hard for every dollar does more than empty bank accounts. It drains excitement and locks us into routines that yield little true fulfillment. Now picture a different path, one where your income naturally flows from smart investments and strategic choices, freeing you to live life on your own terms. This is not a mere fantasy. It is the reality for many who have embraced passive income strategies. By understanding concepts like dividend-paying stocks, real estate investment trusts, and digital products, you begin to see pathways that lead to financial freedom. Consider dividend-paying stocks, companies that reward investors by sharing profits in the form of regular payments. Such investments allow you to earn continuously, even after you've taken the steps to set them up. These small, consistent rewards can accumulate over time, offering a steady source of income that supplements traditional earnings. Similarly, real estate investments, especially through REITs, provide an opportunity to benefit from property markets without the demands of property management. Renting out a spare room or property via platforms like Airbnb is another tangible example, illustrating how assets you already own can be transformed into lucrative income streams. However, the journey towards financial independence is not without its challenges. Transitioning from the security of a fixed salary to the uncertainty of multiple income streams requires courage, discipline, and a willingness to learn. Investments come with risks. Markets can be unpredictable. It is this conflict, the risk of change versus the comfort of old habits, that every aspiring investor must confront. Embracing diversification is key. Alongside traditional investments, new ideas such as creating and selling digital products or engaging in affiliate marketing can help build a resilient portfolio. Imagine combining multiple streams of income so that your earnings come not from a single source, but from a diverse, interconnected network. Imagine, too, applying the principles advocated by the FIRE movement, where high savings rates and intelligent investments allow you to retire early and live on your terms. This philosophy reminds us that careful planning, disciplined saving, and strategic risk-taking are not just financial tactics, but a pathway to reclaiming our time and designing our own futures. Throughout this journey, keep in mind that financial freedom is achieved through gradual, consistent steps. You might start by opening a high-yield savings account, move on to exploring dividend stocks, and eventually venture into more complex investments like peer-to-peer lending or digital product creation. Each step is a move away from the anxiety of a single paycheck and towards the peace of multiple income sources. Every decision you make today shapes the foundation for a more secure tomorrow. As you learn to leverage your assets and manage your money wisely, you slowly build a resilient future where your finances grow even when you are not actively working. This transformation from working for money to making money work for you is your key to unlocking a life of genuine independence and personal fulfillment. Choose to challenge the status quo. Embrace the opportunities that lie in passive income and smart investments. Start your journey towards financial independence today by exploring passive income strategies that align with your goals and lifestyle.